Hi, this is Shweta from ClearTax. Today we will speak about income tax for NRIs. First, we will discuss about what are the conditions for becoming an NRI. The first condition is if you are in India for a period of less than 182 days, you will become an NRI. Second condition is if you are in India for a period of less than 60 days, and if your stay amounts to less than 365 days in the preceding 4 years, you become an NRI. The condition of 60 days is relaxed and it's 182 days in case you are an Indian citizen and you leave India for employment outside India. Similar to the case of a member of a crew of an Indian ship. However, for the financial year 2020-21, the condition of 182 days is now 120 days, where your total income is above Rs 15 lakh, and if you have income which is other than foreign sources income. Due to COVID-19, there were certain relief measures which were announced for the financial year 2019-20. First relief measure was in case you are quarantined in India or if your stay was due to a lockdown, then until 31st March 2020, the period of stay will not be considered. However, a similar notification or a circular is yet to be announced by the Finance Ministry financial year 2021. Next, we will discuss about how does your income get taxed in India if you are classified as an NRI. In case of a non-resident, all income which is earned in India or which is accrued in India gets taxed in India. For example, any income by way of salaries for services of employment rendered in India, any income by way of rent from house property, capital gains income from sale of asset in India, all these incomes are part of income in India for NRI. In case of income from other sources, if you have an NRO account, interest from the NRO account gets taxed. However, interest from an NRE account is exempt in India. In case an NRI carries on a business established in India, income from such business is also taxable in India. So when you compute your income as an NRI, you also get deductions for tax savings such as investment in ELSS, investment in LIC, and other investments. You can also claim an exemption for capital gains such as 54F or 54, where you sell a residential property and you buy another residential property. So when do you file an income tax return in India? In case your income from all the Indian sources or other taxable income in India is above Rs 2.5 lakh in India. Separately, in case you have income which is less than 2.5 lakhs, but if you have a refund of TDS on your incomes, in such case you have to file an income tax return to obtain a refund of the TDS. While computing your taxes that are payable in India, you can claim a tax credit for foreign taxes. In case income is doubly taxed in India, you can claim a foreign tax credit as per the Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. Similarly, you can also claim a credit for TDS. In case your net tax payable after claiming all the credits for TDS and for foreign tax credit is above Rs 10,000, an NRI should also comply with the advanced tax provisions in India. Do like our video and share our videos. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications. For more details, please look at the description provided in the box below on NRI taxation. Thank you.